get Amazon seller support on the phone? This is the newest question that has come in from our audience. Amazon has done what it has always done, and it is changing its help section. And so in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step how you can still contact Amazon seller support when you have issues related to your Amazon FBA business. Hi, I'm Amy Fierman from mommyincome.com. I've been an Amazon seller for 10 years, and the only constant with Amazon is change. And Amazon has gone and changed things again. But in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to find the area within the help section for seller support where you can get them on the phone if you want to have a conversation. So first thing, this is a section that Amazon has changed, the front end and some of the navigation. The first thing you do is go up and click the help, and it will take you to this page. Now the top solutions are great if you're having those particular problems, but in this instance, that's not the problem I have. So if you scroll down, you're looking for this need more help section. You're going to click on get support, and then selling on Amazon. This is another section that Amazon has also changed. Great. Got new things to look at. We're still going to go down to fulfillment by Amazon. Gives us some more issues here. Investigate other FBA issues. The one I have isn't there. All of these, again, we're coming back to other FBA issue because the one that we have isn't related to these. Now, if you are going through these and see that your problem is listed here, click on it and go through the process they're asking you to. It's going to get you help more quickly. Now, if you still want to get somebody on the phone, here's how to do that. Click on Other FBA Issue, select Issue. It's going to take a minute and it's going to load. Now, this should look familiar if you've ever contacted seller support before. This is the same form they always have you fill out. Contact reason, describe your issue. If it's related to a specific ASIN or SKU, you can enter that here. And here is how you can contact them by phone. And you don't get to pick up the phone and call them. They're going to pick up the phone and call you. So all you need to do is click on phone, enter your phone number, and then click call me now. Your phone will ring within 5 seconds. And yes, you will be put on hold, but you're going to be on a direct line with Amazon seller support. That's it. It's following the little trail there that I just showed you. So I'm going to talk through it one more time. You're following the investigate other FBA issues. You're looking for other FBA issues. It will take you here to fill in your concern and get somebody on the phone. I hope this has been helpful. Make sure you click that little subscribe button and turn on the bell so you get notified when new videos go live. I'll catch you next time.